Here is AWS, Bedrock, right? And here is their website. If I click on any of these, wow, there is a Storylane coming up. And this is totally self-serve here. As you can see, I can walk through each of the steps. This is made by one of our awesome AWS Bedrock folks, a Storylane customer, and there is much more in here. I think they have a host of demos. This is about 9 demos in here. Okay, let's see what policy in Agent Core is. Oh, yet another Storylane right now. Okay, awesome. I can see how this all works. See how it has highlighted an area of the whole dashboard, which I can go through. And then let's go to the menu item policy preview. All of these are Storylane steps, guided steps that have been inserted. An awesome experience built by our AWS customers. Thank you.